the stock market, basics, tips, advice, and secrets. Many people avoid learning about the stock market because they don't see any point to this type of investment. They think that if they invest in the stock market that they'll lose everything, unless they happen to be very lucky. This is unfortunate, as all you need to be a successful stock market investor is a little education. Read on for some tips about how to invest in the stock market. Remember that stock prices are reflections of earnings. In the short-term immediate future, market behavior will fluctuate depending on news and rumor and the emotional responses to those, ranging from enthusiasm to panic. In the longer-term picture, however, company earnings over time wind up determining whether a stock price rises or falls. Companies with wildly popular goods or services that seem to gain visibility overnight should normally be avoided. Instead, wait to see if the business does well in the long term, or it could easily lose its value as quickly as it found it. You might want to stick to reliable products instead of fads when choosing stocks. Remember that individual stocks do not necessarily represent the entire market. A decent stock may soar while the overall market tanks, while a bad stock may plunge in value when the rest of the market is thriving. This is why it's a good idea to diversify the types of stock you own, choosing stocks from a variety of companies in many different industries. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Only allocate a tenth or less of your investment capital into a single stock. By only investing a certain percentage of your portfolio in each stock, you are protecting yourself from a devastation in case the stock does drop quickly. Create your own index fund. Choose an index you would like to track, like the Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Buy the individual stocks that are on that index on your own, and you can get the dividends and results of an index mutual fund without paying someone else to manage it. Just be sure to keep your stock list up to date to match the index you track. Make sure that you are properly educated before investing in the stock market. You need to have a basic knowledge of accounting, annual reports, and the stock market history. There is no need to be an actual accountant, though the more understanding you have, the better off you will be. After watching this video, you should understand a little more about how the stock market works and how to invest in it. Now that you have some knowledge, you can safely invest some of your money and watch it double or even triple. Soon everyone else will want to know what made you so lucky, and you can honestly tell them that it wasn't just luck. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.